Spreadsheet-II Hands-on Chapter 8 CALC Open Source Conversation. Tobo and Dobo are in school. Teacher is taking attendance. Dobo is carefully watching the attendance register. Hi Tobo, look, our teacher is also working in a spreadsheet. Yes, now you can very well relate to the spreadsheet. Have you noticed our roll numbers are arranged in an alphabetical order? Yes, that is called as sorting. If anything which is arranged in alphabetical order, this is sorting. Keep this thing in mind. Dobo, sorting. As far as I remember, sorting is classifying objects on the basis of shape, color, size, etc. True, but sorting has another meaning also. Okay, and what's that? Sorting means arranging data in ascending or descending order. Ascending, increasing order, and descending means decreasing order. Here you may see Dobo. Oh, okay, but it must be very difficult for our teacher to write. I mean to sort the names of all our classmates in alphabetical order in the attendance register. I wish if I could help her. Well, manually, yes, it is very difficult. Ascending, descending. Here you have to write descending in the descending order. Dobo, but Dobo, you can help her easily using CALC software. Oh, don't tell me. Open Office Organization CALC helps to arrange the rows of a data list alphabetically or numerically in ascending or descending order. Using this CALC, notice the following two buttons in the standard bar. Here, two buttons. AZ ascending helps to sort the lowest number, the beginning of the alphabet or the earliest date first. ZA descending helps to sort the highest number, the end of the alphabet or the latest date first. Data to be sorted needs to be selected first, and then one can choose the icon or descending as per the requirement. Dobo, great Dobo. Now teacher will be very happy, but now what happened? What if I want to help teacher further in her work? I wish if I could help her in preparing mark sheet. Wait, you mean to perform calculation for her? Well said Tobo, this what exactly I wanted to do her. Do you remember? Cell is the basic element of a spreadsheet. CALC software has a feature that allows you to create formulas and use inbuilt functions. A formula is an expression which calculates the value of a cell. A formula can obtain values, operators, cell addresses, function. This is operators, this is cell address, function. Do you remember? Cell address is a column letter followed by row number. Rules for writing formula in Open Office Organization CALC. Formula must start with dash sign and there should be no space before the sign. There must be some arithmetic operator to operate on values. We can add, subtract, multiply, divide or find exponential using formula. Examples shown explain the rules mentioned above. Dobo, but can not we write 4 plus 9 minus 1 instead of using cell address? Dobo, you can write, but in case you make any change in the values, then recalculation becomes easier by using all cell address, as it will be automatically recalculate the answer. Dobo, okay, means if I change value of B3 to 9, then answer will automatically change to 4. Here, simple process. Enter some numeric values in cells from A1 to F6. Here, and divide A3 in G7. I hope this is a wrong thing. Using formula, you have to find result, and here also you should keep this thing in mind. Operator priority, dash bracket 1, exponentiation 2nd, multiplication and division 3rd, addition and subtraction 4. Exponentation, here you are seeing that is 3rd, that is 2nd. Exponentation, that is 2nd. type the following formula and write the result in a space provided. You can do yourself. Next question. A spreadsheet also offers a feature called field handle, wherein we don't have to type the formula. Field handle is used for generating series of numbers, days, months, etc. And it also copies formula and functions for us. When dealing with large amount of data such as mark sheet, it is time taking to type the formula for adding the marks of all the students. In such cases, field handle can be used very effectively. The user types the formula only once and by dragging it to other cells. The formula gets copied to other cells wherein cell addresses are changed automatically. Average is sum of values divided by number of values. You are knowing this thing. Turbo. Field handle copies formula and functions for us. What is a function? Say CALC also has certain pre-written formulas that can be applied directly for the calculation. Functions are the pre-defined or built-in formula in OpenOffice CALC that perform calculation using specific values known as arguments in a particular order. If you want to add the total marks of Kavya given in the data above, so instead of writing this thing, we can write sum C7 G7. A structure of a function. Name, argument 1, argument 2, where arguments are the values passed to the functions. Here this is a problem. Activity. Brainstorm and find different areas in which you can help your parents in doing a speedy calculation using formulas and function. Weather report, account, budget. Turbo. It's difficult to analyze the workbooks that contain a lot of data, thereby making comparisons tedious. Don't lose the heart. OpenOffice organization provides solution for this in the form of charts. Do you remember making histograms in maths? Charts are the graphical representation of data available in the worksheet. And I hope up to this time you are knowing about histogram in mathematics. Same thing you have to do here. Highest marks, lowest marks you have to find out. You have to search in this data and you can get which is the highest mark, which is the lowest mark, and then you are able to solve this problem. And here you have to, first of all, you have to make this histogram in chart paper, then you should paste here. Okay, this is the problem. Here you have to make first on the chart paper, then you have to paste on this page. Charts in CALC are also like histograms. They are visually appealing and are easier to read and understand. Then they can be used in various fields because of its usage. CALC charts facilitates quick comparison and analysis of trends. CALC supports various kinds of charts like line chart, pie chart, bar chart, column chart, etc. Observe different charts made by taking data of 5 students from the given mark sheet in 3 subjects. Here column chart, this is column chart, this is bar chart, now this is line chart, and now finally you know pie chart. In class 5 air chapter, whenever you have studied, you know what is pie chart. In this there is some problem in the next page, but before this there is an activity and you have to write answer. You may pause the video and you are able to write steps for creating a chart. You may pause the video and you are able to write steps for creating a chart. Select the data for which chart is to be created and follow the steps given below. Choose any one method to open chart wizard. Insert chart, Click Chart button on a standard toolbar. Choosing a chart type from Chart Wizard, choose the type of chart which best suits your data. In this step, select the range of cells for which the chart is to be generated. Here, data in series can be stated or removed. Step 5. This is the final step towards creation of chart. In this step, choose titles, legends and their placement. Click Finish. A simple chart is shown below. You can customize charts for fonts and colors. Oh, that's great, it's looking beautiful, and just by observing the columns I can analyze the information. Create a pie chart to represent composition of air. 1% nitrogen, 20% oxygen, 79% of nitrogen. You may observe this thing may varies in different books, different types of percentage is present. Here I have written 1% nitrogen, 20% oxygen, 79% of nitrogen, and 1%. I have shown here 1%. This is 20% and rest 79%. You may know this thing. You are knowing this thing. Create a pie chart to represent composition of air. Already studied in class 5. Now I am wondering, can we change the data entered in worksheet and what will happen to the chart if any content of worksheet is changed? Okay, this is called editing of worksheet. Editing cell contents involves replacing or overwriting the cell contents, making changes, removing some and keeping some in the contents, deleting the cell contents. Observe what happens the moment you select the cell and type the contents. Are the preview contents overwritten? In order to partially change the content, select the cell to be edited. Click on the formula bar or double click inside the cell or press F2 key from the keyboard. Use arrow keys and edit the contents. Press enter. In CALC, we can copy some or selective text without changing the original one and pasting it at a new place, making it appear at both the places. Also, if you don't want it at original place, there is an option to move the text from there and pasting it at a new place. There are various methods of copy paste and cut paste. Clipboard, a temporary storage area where material cut or copied from a location is kept for passing onto another location. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, Ctrl+X. Copy for copy, Ctrl+C. Cut, Ctrl+X. Paste, Ctrl+Y. Formatting a worksheet. Formatting means general arrangement of data. Formatting of worksheets make them more professional and presentable. It can be applied on both numbers as well as text. Formatting numbers include representation in currency, percentage, date, time, etc. Formatting text includes change in font, color, size, alignment, etc. Formatting can be applied by selecting the data and then choosing the options from formatting toolbar or clicking format cells, paragraphs, character, linked. Printing a worksheet. In order to print out, make sure that your printer is connected and has paper. Then follow the step listed below. Click File, Print, or press Ctrl+P from the keyboard. This is shortcut key. Click Print button on the standard toolbar. It will open the following dialog box for you. Now this dialog box will appear. Choose the desired printer from the list of printers already installed in your computer. Provide the range, the content and the number of copies to be printed. Click Print. Now click Print and you get a print copy. Now, once again, this is my humble submission to my humble viewers. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. I hope you will enjoy with my videos. Thank you.